and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas of bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. I have a very special video for you guys today because I just got in the mail my Kittenish Behavior pattern swap package. So if you are unfamiliar, Sean from Kittenish Behavior organized a pattern swap. So you basically sent in your information and the types of patterns and things you were interested in, and then she randomly drew partners to swap patterns with. My pattern swap partner was Linda Warrington, or Pixie Pins on Instagram, from the UK. So I'm told there may be some UK goodies inside this package. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm really excited. It's been a long day's work. I just got changed, and my husband's like, "You got a package in the mail today," and so this is Wednesday. This is the last day of July, but this video probably won't go out today just because it's late and I probably won't have time to edit it. But I'm excited, and I really wanted to open the package and actually unbox it with you guys. So I've got it opened up. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Akram's Ideas, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new episodes. Let's see what we have inside here. First off, ooh, we've got this candy bar Bounty. It's got a coconut on it, so I'm going to assume that it's going to be like a Mounds candy bar that has the coconut covered chocolate. Sounds good. Buttons! Vintage buttons! OMG, I love these! Okay, so I gotta like open them out of the little wrapper to kind of show you guys, because these are some really cool buttons. First off, look at those. Those are amazing! I love the lavender color on them. I think these are actually my favorite though, these yellow ones that look like flowers or some, I mean, and the packaging is really pretty too. Latest fashion, made in England. Oh, I love that. And then this one, oh wow, these are amazing. So let's see if is it gonna, I think it's focused. It's just got this weird reflection on them, but they're kind of translucent, and they have they're orange and they're kind of translucent, and they got kind of a concave to them. There are quite a few on here, so I could make a really nice shirt dress with something like that. Ooh, oh, and there's more chocolate. There's a Mars bar. Oops. So a Mars bar, so that sounds fun. Ooh, and something called Flake. These are interesting. The packaging on this one looks fun. Oh, and the more little vintage goodies. Oh, Linda, this is so sweet. Oh, look at this. Oh, this belt buckle. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but it's cream, and it's got this interesting decor. Ooh, some snaps. You can never go wrong with little snaps. Always need snaps. Oh, and look at this beautiful pearl necklace. Oh, I love that. So vintage. And then even just as nice is this red beaded necklace. Look at that. That is super nice. And then we've got all sorts of little things. A couple of extras. Oh my gosh. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. All right. Oh, and it's such nicely wrapped in the tissue paper and everything. Look at this. Look at this pink tissue paper. So I got the Megan Nielsen Dawn jeans. I am really excited about this pattern. Now, I've been wanting to try to make some jeans. I did finally make my Jenny overalls. So I really like the fit of those. So I'm not as scared about the idea of making jeans, but they're so time consuming. But I really wanted the Dawn jeans because I really like the flared version, and I like the higher waistline, and I like the fact that this pattern is meant for rigid denim and not stretch denim, because I have a ton of denim that I've picked up at antique stores that are true denim and they have no stretch, and that's why I really wanted to try the Dawn. And I think I'm gonna attempt to start off with the shorts just to see the fit and everything. So this may be, I've got a few weeks off in August before school starts. I might try to get this together. Let's see, there's also a little card in this package, if I can open it up. Oh, look at that, it's all autumny. I love autumn. Look at that, isn't that pretty, that little card? Let's see. It says, I hope you like your swap items. Thanks for being my swap partner. Thank you, Linda. I really like it. And then there's another little package of extras. Let's see what we got in this extra pile. What is this? Look at this. Ooh! Oh my goody gosh! Okay, so first off, this is from Threaders, the vintage collection, and it's the Dorothy T dress. And look at that dress. Look at it. Isn't that lovely? I love the main one here with the ruching on the sleeves and everything. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I have this one. This is a vintage Vogue, and it apparently came with Love Sewing, and it is this top collection. And if you know, I am a lover of these 1960 shell tops. I've made the Simplicity 1364, which is a shell top, and also Buttrick. I don't remember what Buttrick pattern number was, but that was a true vintage pattern. The Simplicity one is a reproduction vintage pattern. But both of them from the same time period, both of them the same style shell top. But this one's slightly different because it does not have darts, it has princess seams. And I really like it. I also like the fact that you can also make it with sleeves if you wanted to. And being princess seamed, I may have an easier time fitting it. I don't know. But oh, thank you so much, Linda, for the wonderful goodies. I can't wait to dive into the candy bars. I think I'm gonna go eat dinner first, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna enjoy some chocolate later tonight. And I just really enjoyed this whole pattern swap. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this pattern swap, and I really enjoyed actually packaging my package to send out, because I was like, oh, I could send this and I could send that and everything. And I actually included some chocolate as well in the package that I sent. So Linda, if you're watching, I hope you've enjoyed everything in your package that I sent out, and I can't wait to see what you make with the patterns that I sent. So big thanks to Sean from Kittenish Behavior for actually organizing this and doing the whole pattern swap. It's a lot of fun. I encourage you guys, if you ever have the opportunity to participate in this, I really find it a lot of fun because you get to interact with people that you may have never met, and you get to kind of, especially when you get paired with somebody like from across the world, because then you get to be like, what can I send them that represents where I'm from, to give them a kind of a taste of what it's like. And in this case, literally a taste of what it's like. So I'm going to enjoy those later. Again, thanks so much for all the goodies. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, and thanks for watching.
I'm gonna go ahead and try this one because it looks really, really good, and this package was sitting out all day in the mailbox, so it may be a little melty. Oh my gosh, it is flaky. Oh, it's everywhere. This is like fudge.